It's Easter Sunday. We're going to say Happy Easter, BB. Say Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy kitty. Oh, look at that happy girl. Happy girl. Say Happy Easter, everybody. There you go. And now we are at my mom's house, and here's Patches. And Patches is purring. Are you going to say Happy Easter too, like BB did? No, he's a pretty girl. Can you hear her? Okay, well, Happy Easter from Patches. See you later. Hello, Gigi. Oh, look at the big close-up. Say Happy Easter. Ooh. That's cat number 3, live on Facebook today on Easter Sunday. Good girl. Okay. Got one more cat to go later. My own cat. And now, one more kitty. Hello. Are you a good girl? Say Happy Easter. Say Happy Easter. All right. Whoa, another good close-up. Good girl. All right. Well, that's the last cat picture. We did BB, Patches, Gigi, and we ended with my own cat, the ever lovely Miss Kitty. Say bye. And that's it for her. Okay. Good girl. Goodbye.